Angle between two planes. The angle between two planes is defined as the angle between their normals. If theta is an angle between two planes, then 180 minus theta is also angle between two planes. Let r vector dot n1 vector is equal to d1 and r vector dot n2 vector is equal to d2 be equation of two planes with normals n1 vector and n2 vector. Let theta be the angle between these two planes. That is, theta is the angle between the two normals n1 vector and n2 vector. Therefore, the angle between two planes is given as cos theta is equal to modulus of n1 vector dot n2 vector divided by modulus of n1 into modulus of n2. Condition for the planes to be perpendicular. If two planes are perpendicular, then their normals are perpendicular. Therefore, we get n1 vector dot n2 vector is equal to 0. Condition for two planes to be parallel. If two planes are parallel, then their normals are also parallel. Cartesian form. Let theta be the angle between two planes a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 is equal to 0. The direction ratios of the normal to the planes are a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2 respectively. Therefore, the angle between these two planes are given as cos theta is equal to modulus of a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 divided by root over a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into root over a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Condition for these two planes to be perpendicular is a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equal to 0 and condition for these planes to be parallel is a1 over a2 is equal to b1 over b2 is equal to c1 over c2.